HP, another one. Okay, so we got the original charger, and they gave us a compatible one, which they also bought, and also has same issues. It's a beautiful HP Envy again, like the one I worked on the other day. Ah, horrible. Okay, so plug in the charger. Let's see what happens. Okay, that's our problem, or is that the wrong side? What's wrong? That seems okay. Let me try that again. Okay. Zilch. Nada. Alright, let me try the charger. See if it does work on another HP. And I don't think I've got another working HP. Okay. In that case, we'll check the voltages. Benchmark. Bench.psu. Okay. Show me what you got. This is a massive charger. $19.67. Okay. Let's do the basic checks. Battery first. I'm sure the user has tried this kind of things already. Still the same. We should have a white light at least. Please hinge, don't break on me like the other guy. Okay. Alright, so let's do a full disassembly of this guy. Okay. Looks like it has never been opened before. Yeah, very familiar setup. Okay. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's a total fuck up there. Sorry the language, but okay. Probably it's not gonna be repairable maybe. Wow, the fuck happened here, man? MOSFET took the entire world with it. Wow, okay, that explains a lot. I can see the other side. Wow. That's the middle layer. The other side. Keyboard. Wow. It's ripped a hole, man. Wow. Okay. Okay, this is what I call a nuclear explosion. Wow. Well, nice way to start the day, eh? I mean, it can probably made to turn on from just the charging port. Nah, sorry, from the battery. Nah, not worth the hassle. It's not a usable computer. It's capacitors. Even this whole track is burnt. Wow. Can't believe it. So I'm assuming, yeah, that is the positive wire here. It's positive wire. How the hell did this happen? Hell. Wow. Yeah, we can see the burn. It's quite deep. You can actually see the brownish on the other side. It's actually quite deep. Yeah, so we're gonna unfortunately leave it at that. Deem it as no repair. And move on. Shame. It would have been a nice computer. Alright, let's take a nice fancy photo. Okay, see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.